What? What the heck? Pick up the phone.
This is the construct. It's our loading program. We can load anything from clothing to equipment, weapons, training simulations, anything we need.
So right now we are inside a computer program?
Is it really so hard to believe? Your clothes are different, the plugs in your arms and head are gone. Your hair has changed.
But I don't want my hair like this. I want it like John Wick.
It is the mental projection of your digital self.
So this is not real?
What is real? How do you define real? If you're talking about what you can feel, what you can smell, what you can taste and see, then real is simply electrical signals interpreted by your brain. This is the world that you know. The world as it was at the end of the 20th century. It exists now only as part of a neural interactive simulation that we call the Matrix. You've been living in a dream world, Neo. This is the world as it exists today. Control. The Matrix is a computer-generated dream world, built to keep us under control in order to change a human being into this.
No, I don't believe it. It's impossible. I need more training.
How was he? 10 hours straight. He's a machine.
I know, freeform.
Show me. This is a sparring program, similar to the programmed reality of the Matrix. It has the same basic rules like gravity. What you must learn is that these rules are no different than the rules of a computer system. Some of them can be bent. Others can be broken. Understand?
Neo's creating his new haircut.
Do you believe that my being stronger or faster has anything to do with my muscles in this place? You think that's air you're breathing now? Good. Adaptation, improvisation. But your weakness is not your technique. Again. You're faster than this. Don't think you are. Know you are.
He's fast. Check out his neurokinetics. don't believe it.